And here we are, demo day with this full bath and shower remodel. Let's show you what we're working with. Let's show you the existing shower surround, floor, walls, and we'll talk about what we're gonna do for this bathroom remodel. Should take about, I would say 7-8 days. So here it is. Here we have our linoleum flooring. This should come up pretty easy with a scraper. We are removing and deleting this vanity, installing a much smaller vanity, removing this wall, framing and building a smaller pony or knee wall. This old tub is going cast iron. So tub will be deleted, tile will be removed, and if you can see how heavy this texture is, we're going to skim coat all walls and spray our light orange peel texture. Of course, get rid of that upside down baseboard as a crown molding, skim coat the ceiling, 4-inch can light above the shower, installing a new vent fan, adding another switch, removing this toilet, installing a new toilet, paint, and of course all of your new fixtures, decorative light, mirror, you name it. So tile will go all the way up to the ceiling, large format porcelain, 12 by 20 niche, centered there. New tall soaking tub will be installed. So today is super simple. Remove the vanity, remove the tub, remove the surround, the floor. We are going to plumb a new valve, raise the shower head, and install our new tub. That will be it for today. We're gonna get right to it, get to work, have some fun, get some exercise. This alleviates the need for a gym membership. Time to demo, here we go. And this is a first, no flange whatsoever. Looks like it was glued to the drywall. Fiberglass, easy removal. So it looks like we do have quite a bit of mold behind this fiberglass. Two reasons why. You had this inside corner overlapping the back wall as well as the side wall. Water was penetrating through this overlap seam, as well as simple condensation getting behind the fiberglass on these walls. We will remove all of this, prep the studs. I'm sure the studs are just fine. We'll see when we rip this out here. Moving on. Look how loose that is, guys. Got some PVC here. This is a homeowner DIYer fix. All right, so we're pulling this amazing upside down baseboard. Crown molding, baby. Remove this drywall here, that drywall there. And of course, remove this cast iron tub. Doesn't feel like it's too heavy. 2 guys should be able to get this out of here, no problems at all. Alright guys, so we picked up our tub. This is a tall soaking fiberglass bathtub. We will install that today, install the new P-trap drain kit, frame out the niche once we receive tile, and of course we will install our valve, PEX. It's time to get the rough plumbing done so we can get some backer board up, get it waterproofed, and move on to tile. Cool little trick for your curdy band. Cut a little slot. You have a nice dispenser. It's time to waterproof this surround, this niche, and the tub flange. Here we go.